Hello YouTube, welcome to a new synth anatomy video. In this new release I unbox my latest purchase from Amazon Germany. I discovered on Amazon last week that some China companies offers analog delay pedals for under 30 euro. For checking out how good or how bad they are, I ordered the Donner Yellow Fall delay pedal. Normally they are made for guitars, but I want to test them on synthesizers. With a special 20% off discount, I paid around 23 euro for this pedal. For the power, I purchased also a power supply with multiple pedal support. The Donner Yellow Fall delay is quite a standard delay, with three main knobs. Echo controls the dry and wet amount, the feedback amount, and the knob for the time. A bit strange is that the output is left and input is right. Normally the pedal inputs and outputs are the opposite direction. I give you now a very first audio test of the Donner Yellow Fall delay pedal with the Korg Monologue. My very early verdict is quite good. The Donner delay is for that price really good in the build and the sound quality. Nonetheless, this was a very early sound demo. I will release in near future more sound demos on this delay pedal, and I will check out how good this pedal really is. I will release after my testing also a complete review on this cheap delay pedal. If you are interested in this pedal or this power supply, the links are in the description. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and sound demo of the Donner Yellow Fall delay pedal. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a positive thumb and a subscription for more future videos. Many thanks for watching and for your continued support. I hope to see you again in one of my next videos. Bye!